Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your Windows 10 or Windows 11 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer is not playing sound through the headphones, Bluetooth, or speaker device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to type in settings. Best result, come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select the privacy and security on the left panel, and then on the right side you want to go down underneath app permissions and you want to select microphone. Make sure microphone access is toggled to the on position as well as for any relevant applications down here. And then once you've done that, you can just close out of here and hopefully it'll work. You may have to click the sound icon down at the bottom and just turn up the audio for that. And then also if you went back into the search menu and typed in a microphone, underneath microphone privacy settings, go ahead and select that. Something else you can try to close out of here and open up the search menu and type in audio input. Should be an audio input volume control. Go ahead and select that. And then where it says choose a device for speaking or recording, click the drop down, and if you have multiple devices in here, select the one you want to properly play the sound through. And you can also pair a new device by selecting add a device if it's a Bluetooth-based connection. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.